Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the spot and confirming it's paint transfer, not a scratch. This changes everything. Clean the area with pH-neutral soap and dry it, then swab a hidden edge with 70% isopropyl alcohol to see if transfer lifts. Once you know it's transferred paint, tape off trim and gaps so solvents won't stain plastic. Next, choose a mild remover, detailing clay or a solvent-based remover, and gather microfiber towels, a soft applicator pad, and gloves before you begin. You apply the remover in small sections, testing first. Dab product for 10 to 15 seconds, then wipe to evaluate. If solvent lifts paint, work with overlapping strokes, not scrubbing hard, and flip the towel frequently to avoid redepositing transfer. If residue remains, follow with a clay bar using clay lubricant. This physically picks up embedded paint without aggressive abrasion. Make sure the panel stays cool. Hot surfaces make solvents evaporate too fast and can damage clear coat. So you finish by inspecting the clear coat. If it looks dull or hazy, use a fine polish and a soft pad to restore gloss, then seal with wax or a ceramic spray within 24 hours to protect the area. Work patiently with low-speed motion. Aggressive polishing risks thinning the clear coat. Once done, remove masking tape and rewash the panel gently. If transfer won't budge or you see clear coat damage, stop and consult a professional for paint correction to avoid making the problem worse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.